What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into my top crypto picks for 2025, projects I believe could explode in the coming year. We'll explore the giants, the challengers, and the true game changers in the crypto world. This isn't just a list, it's a deep dive into what makes these cryptocurrencies stand out. Remember, this is not financial advice, just my research and opinions. The crypto market is wild, so always do your own research before investing. Think of this video as your launchpad for further exploration. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, the original king, Bitcoin. Picture a fortress of gold clay, unbreakable, iconic. Bitcoin is digital gold, the most secure, decentralized network, with only 21 million coins ever to exist. That scarcity is why so many see it as a store of value, especially in a world where money can be printed endlessly. It's not just individuals. Major companies and institutions are adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. This institutional adoption is a tidal wave of legitimacy and capital. Every 4 years, Bitcoin's halving event cuts new supply in half, historically triggering massive bull runs. Its track record is unmatched, from pennies to tens of thousands per coin, surviving every crash. Bitcoin dominates the crypto market cap, acting as a gravitational force for new investors. While it may not offer the wildest gains, its stability and history make it the bedrock of any portfolio. Ignore Bitcoin, and you're missing the foundation of the entire industry. As we leave our golden fortress, remember, Bitcoin is the OG with unmatched security and trust. It's the slow and steady giant, proven time and again. For 2025 and beyond, it remains one of the strongest, most reliable plays. If you want a solid foundation, Bitcoin is where you start. It's not about hype, it's about history, security, and real-world adoption. The next halving is coming soon, and history suggests big moves could follow. Bitcoin isn't just a coin, it's a revolution in how we think about money. For US investors, it's the ultimate starting point. Let's move on to the next contender. Next, we teleport to Ethereum, a glowing, futuristic clay city. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is digital oil, powering a massive ecosystem of decentralized apps. Its secret weapon, smart contracts, self-executing code that runs without middlemen. This innovation unlocked DeFi, NFTs, and a universe of new possibilities. DeFi lets you borrow, lend, and earn interest without banks, all built on Ethereum. NFTs, most live on Ethereum, creating new economies for artists and creators. Ethereum's ongoing upgrades, like the shift to proof of stake, make it more energy efficient and scalable. Future changes aim to make it even faster and cheaper, solving congestion issues. If successful, these upgrades could trigger explosive growth in users and applications. Ethereum boasts the largest developer community and most value locked in its ecosystem. It's the base layer for Web3, the next evolution of the internet. As these upgrades roll out, Ethereum's potential only grows. Its flexibility and innovation set it apart from every other blockchain. For 2025, Ethereum is a must-watch for its unmatched ecosystem and ongoing evolution. It's not just a platform, it's the world computer. The future of decentralized apps is being built here. If you want exposure to the next wave of crypto innovation, Ethereum is essential. Its head start and network effects are massive advantages. Let's see who's racing to catch up. Buckle up. Next is Solana, the speed demon of crypto. Imagine a sci-fi city where everything moves at lightning speed. Solana's unique proof of history tech lets it process over 50,000 transactions per second, miles ahead of Ethereum. Transaction fees? Fractions of a penny, making it perfect for games and social apps. This speed and low cost have fueled an explosion of projects and users. But Solana's faced network outages, a big challenge for reliability. The team is working hard to fix these issues, and each upgrade brings more stability. Solana's also pushing into mobile, launching its own Web3 smartphone. If they nail reliability, Solana could capture a huge share of the market. It's a high-risk, high-reward play. Fast, cheap, and ambitious. For 2025, Solana is the high-performance challenger you can't ignore. If speed and low fees win out, Solana could be a game changer. It's not perfect, but its potential is massive. Let's slow down and look at a different approach. Now, step into Cardano's world. a grand, research-driven university. Cardano's philosophy: move slow, build right, and rely on peer-reviewed science. Founded by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, Cardano's every upgrade is based on academic research. Critics call it slow, but supporters see its methodical pace as a strength. Now that smart contracts are live, Cardano's ecosystem is finally growing. Its passionate community and focus on real-world adoption, especially in emerging markets, set it apart. Cardano's unique proof-of-stake system, Ouroboros, is energy-efficient and secure. The roadmap aims for global scalability without sacrificing decentralization. Real-world partnerships like digital IDs in Africa show Cardano's mission in action. For 2025, Cardano is the tortoise in a race of hares, betting on security and sustainability. If you value rigorous engineering, Cardano is a project to watch. Now let's see how Ethereum is getting supercharged. Enter Polygon, the express lane for Ethereum. Polygon isn't an Ethereum killer, it's an Ethereum helper, solving the network's congestion and high fees. As a Layer 2 solution, Polygon lets you transact quickly and cheaply, then settle back on Ethereum's main chain. Thousands of dApps, from DeFi to gaming, use Polygon for a smoother user experience. Major brands, Starbucks, Reddit, Instagram, are building on Polygon to reach millions. Polygon's team is relentless, developing multiple scaling solutions, including ZK rollups for massive efficiency. This flexibility makes Polygon a network of networks, all anchored to Ethereum. It's creating Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Polygon's adoption by both crypto projects and global brands is huge validation. As Ethereum grows, Polygon's importance only increases. For 2025, Polygon is perfectly positioned to scale alongside Ethereum. It's not about competition, it's about collaboration and innovation. If you want exposure to the next wave of scalable blockchain tech, Polygon is a top pick. Its relentless innovation keeps it at the forefront. Let's wrap up our journey. That's a wrap on our claymation journey through my top crypto picks for 2025. Each project tackles different problems with unique philosophies. Remember, always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now I want to hear from you. What's your #1 crypto pick for 2025? Drop it in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button for more deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Your crypto adventure starts.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.